The new problem is using C programming to print 1 to 100 using for loop. So first of all we go online C compiler. Then first of all we declare the variable. For loop variable, here variable name is I and it is integer type. Now we write int I. Now we send a message to the user for print something. Here I write printf 1 to 100. Then user will show this 1 to 100. Here the loop is for first of all initialization. Here initialization is I equal to 1. Then condition. Here condition is I less than or equal 100 because we print 1 to 100. So initial is 1 and end with 100. So condition will be 1 I less than or equal 100. Then increment will be I plus plus or I equal to I plus 1. Then for loop I write printf percentage d I. When I equal to 1, print 1. Then increment 1 plus plus means 2. Then print 2. By this print 1 to 100. Here I write, here is semicolon. Then I just run this code. Here print 1 to 100. All integer value between 1 to 100. Here I just delete the space, so here delete this. After I print space, here is also print space. Now the condition is, if the condition is I less than equal 100 and 1, the output will be same.